Hello and welcome to this week's newsletter. As you can see, I am here in the food tech room where behind me we have our students taking part in this week's enrichment activity, and they're learning about some food, cooking, and I'm really looking forward to actually tasting some of that at the end of this session. It has been a brilliant week, this enrichment week, where we've enabled all of the students to come off the normal curriculum timetable in order to take part in all of those expansive learning moments that take place normally throughout the year. We've had our bronze and silver Duke of Edinburgh expeditionists out this week, and the silver expeditionists, as I speak, are still out on the moors and will be coming back later today. Well done to all of those students who took part in some great adventure in some perfect weather and some pretty cold nights, I must say as well. Talking of cold nights, we had students out in Iceland this week. Our geographers were over there watching the Northern Lights. Can you believe it? Those fantastic photographs that we now have on the website and that we're now on social media pages this week were tremendous. I know all of those students had a fantastic time out in Iceland. Other activities this week have included the maths team's challenges. We've had Create a Children's Book that is being completed today. We've had some amazing taiko drumming, Sugoi Toshikata, it's my Japanese there, coding and STEM exercises, and a lot of environmental work and ecology work around the school as well, but not just in the school, down on the coast at northern boroughs, and out on the moors as well. We've managed to squeeze in some rugby. Our senior team, our under-17s, ran out for the first time this week. For the second time this week, having beaten Millfield and Blundell's seconds and thirds last weekend. They then beat Exeter College on Wednesday afternoon. That's on the back of the netball girls from last week and the under-15 rugby team last week as well. Personal highlight for me this week, though, has been the Interhouse It's a Knockout. An enormous amount of fun. Do have a look at the website for the photographs and the full story and the social media. It's all part of the Charles Kingsley Wellbeing Cup that we run as an inter-house competition, and that was the first event of the year, thoroughly enjoyed by absolutely everybody. Well, I think we are now all ready for a weekend break. Do keep looking at the social media pages for all the up-to-date stories and photographs. Do have a look at the news section on the website, which we are updating almost daily with new stories, again, photographs as well. And for all the students and staff, after what has been an incredible week here at Kingsley, have a well-earned weekend break. Thank you.